Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You power the phone off now. You must stop current flow to prevent shorting. Remove any case and SIM tray so moisture can escape. Use a soft cloth to blot visible liquid. Do not stick metal inside. Then tilt the device with the lightning port facing down so gravity helps drain. Once done, use a toothpick gently at the port entrance to dislodge debris. You're creating a clear path for air and drying to reach the contacts. You should now dry and clean the port carefully because moisture trapped inside causes corruption at the contacts. Hold the phone with the port down and apply low heat in short bursts to evaporate water without damaging seals. Next, lightly moisten a lint-free swab with 70% plus isopropyl. Touch only the outer contact areas to dissolve residue. Do not push deep. After cleaning, repeat tilting and visual checks until no droplets remain. Make sure to let it rest before testing. You're at the finish line. Give the port time. Wait 30 to 60 minutes so residual vapor disperses and surfaces cool. Then test with the original lightning cable. The device often clears the error if contacts are dry. If the liquid detected alert persists, repeat the gentle cleaning and drying steps or try charging wirelessly as a workaround. If problems continue, back up your data and arrange authorized repair. This avoids corrosion spread and protects components from permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.